Morning guys, and in front of me is the DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first, enroll your camera app. Now, once you're in photo mode and picture mode, click on settings. And here, locate self timer. Now pick the time, so you can either use 2 or 10 seconds delay. Go back and click on camera shutter to grab a picture. As you can see, it will be delayed and the countdown will be visible on your screen. And then the photo will be grabbed. Whenever you want to switch it off, just mark settings icon, select self timer and mark off. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.